Welcome all of you to this workshop, the first of a kind workshop by the first of a kind center that's built at IIT Kanpur. So I speak on behalf of the team of CERTEX and express our gratitude that you are joining the workshop today. This workshop gets together a curated list of speakers, faculty members who are passionate about education, and we hope that this can also infect you with that passion. So let me share a few words about what CERTEX is. CERTEX, as you can see, or you may have seen on, on our website, it's a center for research on education and achieving teaching excellence. So this whole process of learning teaching, instead of leaving it as a standalone process that can be developed individually, we are trying to put our heads together to make it a process that is where we gain from each other. We are grateful to IIT Kanpur and for the vision that it has taken a step in time to bring about an institution that can work on this process of teaching and learning. IIT Kanpur has always been known for excellence in teaching, very passionate teaching, and it's a mutually rewarding process. So this center formalizes it and gets us to put our minds together to bring out, to reach new excellences in teaching. And I have two things to share about learning teaching and what perhaps has been a good attitude to learning teaching is to see teaching learning as a mutually rewarding process, that when you enter into a classroom, you also have to look at something that you will gain from the classroom, you will gain from the people you are teaching. So I think a great way to learn is to start teaching it. So in that sense, I hope all of us approach the class with that mindset that we get to learn what we teach, and the best way to learn is to teach. You get to encounter so many perspectives from so many students, and that is what I think is very rewarding when it comes to enhancing your learning experience. So please think of it or look at it as the way to gain from teaching or being involved with students out there. There is another aspect or a perk of our profession that I wish to share. I think you may implicitly or explicitly be aware of it, that we are always dealing with young people. And in that sense, right here, you're also dealing with young, very focused and very sharp minds. So there is a lot to gain from the average capability of the people around you. And in a classroom, you are surrounded by this kind of an high average. And I'm sure you can gain from it. So perhaps that is one perk of our profession, that forever we are addressing people at of a age where they are most willing to learn and have high capacities or enhanced focus. So with this, I would like to welcome you all to this workshop. I hope this has, these sessions are very fruitful to you, and they come up with an explosive learning that you have over these 2 days. Thank you very much.
As you can see on the slide, we have 3 major announcements. The very first one is, throughout the session, since most of the sessions are 40 minutes, 45 minutes, or half an hour, that time period might not be enough for all of you to ask your questions or discuss your questions. So we have this QR code. You can go ahead, put up your questions, and we will try to answer most of them. Fine. The second one is, make a group of 10 today itself. We have almost 220 attendees, so, and they might be coming in a while. So make a group of 10, and from each group, we are going to have one TA representative. So this group can include TAs, tutors, lab instructors, as well as a staff. And one representative from each group is going to give a 5 minutes presentation tomorrow at 11:15 a.m. session, and you can choose the topic from one of them that has been presented today. Fine. So that's just to bring up the idea that, what did you learn during the whole process of today's TA instruction or the sessions, and also to give you that confidence to come up on stage and speak. And the third one is we have this Teachers' Day video award that we are going to announce today, the Light Action and Teach. So you can make a 5 minutes video of any instruction that you have been part of till date in your teaching sessions, in any of your lab, any of your classrooms, any of your lectures. And you can make 5 minutes video. 5 awards are there, 10,000 cash prize each, and the most engaging, most impactful teaching video, 5 of them will be awarded 10,000 cash prize. And the announcement will be done on the Teachers' Day celebration, most probably 5th of September or whenever it is. Now, the other thing, make sure we are going to send a formal email for that, but at the same time, make sure that, you upload this video on YouTube in the unlisted format, and we will share the site where you can upload the link for your video. So that formal email will eventually come by tomorrow. So these are the 3 major announcements, but for now, what I would say, make a group of 10 TAs or staff today itself, and you can decide which topic you want to present. One representative from each group. Fine? And if you guys have any question, we are there, CERTEX team, so you can ask any one of us. Thank you. So let me introduce, if you guys don't know us, so we are CERTEX team. I am Dr. Ritika Gautam Singh, Chemistry Department Assistant Professor, and I work in the field of biological inorganic chemistry or metals in medicine. Next is, let me give them mic.
I'm Manoj Harbola. I'm a faculty member in physics department, and I look forward to interacting with you all. I work in the area of electronic structure, and I'm also quite passionate about teaching, and so are all the colleagues in CERTEX, and that's why they're here. Thank you.
I'm Aditya Kelkar, again from Department of Physics, and I work in the field of experimental atomic and molecular physics.
Hi, I'm Ark. I am in the Department of Cognitive Science, and I'm basically an experimental and cognitive psychologist.
Hello, everyone. I'm Vineet Sahu. You just heard me. I teach philosophy at the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences. I'm currently interested in philosophy of religion and Indian philosophy of religion in particular. And of course, like the CERTEX team, what unites us all is our love and passion for teaching and the love of the classroom.
Hello, everybody. This is Amit Kuber from Maths Department, and I'm also a passionate teacher. I work in foundations as well as representation theory.
Well, I'm C.S. Upadhyay from Aerospace Engineering. I'm still a learner and a teacher. Learning and teaching about mechanics and mathematics and whatever seems to be exciting.